If you're tired of struggling to haul ladders, lumber, or long cargo in your pickup truck, you're about to discover the 5 best ladder racks that'll transform your truck into a professional workhorse. Whether you're a contractor, DIY enthusiast, or weekend warrior, these racks deliver serious capacity without drilling a single hole in your truck bed. Stick around because number 3 might just surprise you with its incredible versatility. Let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR Extendable Steel Truck Ladder Rack. All right, let's kick things off with the VEVOR Extendable Steel Truck Ladder Rack. And honestly, this one's been absolutely flying off the shelves for good reason. With over 500 purchases just last month on Amazon, it's clearly doing something right. So, what makes this rack stand out? It's that triangular gusset design. Now, I know that sounds super technical, but basically it means you're getting rock-solid stability when you're hauling heavy loads. We're talking 800 pounds of capacity here, which is more than enough for most contractors and homeowners. The installation? Dead simple. It uses a J-bolt mounting system, so you won't be drilling any holes in your truck bed. Your resale value stays intact, and you can remove it whenever you need your full bed back. The width adjusts from 46 to 71 inches, making it compatible with pretty much every full-size pickup out there. Ford F-Series, Chevy Silverado, Dodge Ram, you name it. Here's what I really appreciate. They actually include 4 rope hooks and 2 ratchet straps right in the box. That's stuff you'd normally have to buy separately, so it's a nice touch. The powder-coated finish means it'll hold up against rain, snow, and road salt without turning into a rust bucket. Now, one thing to keep in mind, because it's steel, it's definitely on the heavier side. If you're someone who takes the rack on and off frequently, you might find yourself wishing it was a bit lighter. But honestly, that weight contributes to its durability and stability, so it's really a trade-off. Check the link in the description box to grab this one. Coming in at number 2, we've got the JY Performance Truck Ladder Rack. This is what I'd call the sweet spot for anyone who wants professional-grade performance without the premium price tag. The 800-pound capacity handles everything from extension ladders to full sheets of plywood. The steel construction is seriously robust, and the powder-coated finish keeps it looking good year after year. What really sells this rack is the universal fit design. It adjusts to accommodate different truck bed widths, so you're not locked into one specific vehicle. Installation is straightforward with the no-drill clamp system. You're looking at maybe 30 to 45 minutes to get it mounted up properly. Multiple tie-down points give you flexibility in how you secure your cargo, which is crucial when you're hauling awkward or oversized items. The heavy-duty construction means this thing isn't going anywhere once it's installed. The clamps grip your truck bed rails firmly, and the whole system feels incredibly stable even when you're fully loaded. I've seen these racks handle everything from 20-foot extension ladders to bundles of 2x4s without any issues. The one drawback? The instructions could be clearer. Some users mention having to figure out certain steps through trial and error. It's nothing deal-breaking, but if you're not mechanically inclined, you might want to watch a quick installation video online first. The good news is, once you get it figured out, it stays put and does exactly what it's supposed to do. The value proposition here is really strong. You're getting a rack that performs like models costing significantly more, which is always a win in my book. All the purchase details are in the description below. Number 3. AA Racks Model APX25 Aluminum Ladder Rack. Okay, here's where things get interesting. The AA Racks Model APX25 is the lightweight champion of this lineup, and if you've ever wrestled with a heavy steel rack, you'll understand why that matters. This thing measures 71 inches wide by 28 inches high and still handles 800 pounds of distributed load. The aluminum construction is what sets it apart. It's significantly lighter than steel, but here's the kicker. Aluminum actually forms a protective oxide layer that shields against moisture and road salt. You're basically getting rust resistance built right into the material. Pretty cool, right? It comes with 8 universal mounting clamps included, so you've got everything you need for installation right out of the box. No drilling required, just like the others. But here's something really cool. You can expand it with the P-APX25-E-Black accessory, which adds 38 inches of additional carrying capacity. So if you occasionally need to haul extra long materials, you've got that option. The lighter weight makes it easier to install and remove, which is perfect if you use your truck for multiple purposes and don't want the rack on there all the time. If you're someone who switches between work mode and weekend mode frequently, this flexibility is huge. The trade-off: aluminum racks typically cost a bit more than their steel counterparts. You're paying for that weight savings and corrosion resistance. But if you're in areas with harsh winters or near the coast where salt is a constant concern, that investment pays off pretty quickly. Links waiting for you in the description.
At number 4, we've got the OUTPRIZE Truck Bed Ladder Rack. What sets the OUTPRIZE apart is its impressive adjustability. This rack fits truck beds ranging from 52 to 71 inches wide, which is one of the widest ranges on the market. Whether you've got a mid-sized truck or a full-size beast, this rack's got you covered. That 800-pound capacity is right in the sweet spot for professional use. The heavy-duty steel construction is built to last. We're talking thick-gauge steel with a protective finish that stands up to whatever Mother Nature throws at it. The extendable design means you can dial in the perfect fit for your specific truck bed, and the non-drilling installation keeps your truck bed pristine. What I really like about this rack is the attention to detail in the mounting system. The clamps are engineered to distribute pressure evenly, which means you're not creating pressure points that could damage your truck bed rails over time. It's a small thing, but it shows they've thought this through. The installation process is pretty straightforward, and once it's on, it feels incredibly secure. Multiple tie-down points give you plenty of options for securing your cargo, whether you're hauling a single extension ladder or multiple pieces of lumber. Here's what you should know. While the wide fit range is a major plus, you'll want to make sure you measure your truck bed accurately before ordering. The adjustment mechanism is robust, but getting the initial setup right matters. Some users mention taking a bit of extra time to get the perfect fit, but once you've got it dialed in, it's solid as a rock. The OUTPRIZE delivers professional-grade performance at a competitive price point, making it a smart choice for contractors and DIYers alike who want quality without overpaying. Grab this versatile rack through the link below. Rounding out our number 5 is the AA Racks Model X31 Steel Ladder Rack. This is a 2-bar system that proves you don't need a massive full rack to get professional results. The 800-pound capacity handles serious work, and the 2-bar design is actually pretty smart. It's more aerodynamic than a full rack system, which can help with fuel economy on those highway drives. Less wind resistance means your truck doesn't have to work as hard. The black powder-coated finish looks sharp and provides excellent corrosion protection. AA Products Incorporated has built a solid reputation in the truck accessories world, and this rack shows why. It's straightforward to install, comes with rope hooks for tie-downs, and delivers reliable performance day in, day out. The price point is attractive too, giving you professional-grade construction without emptying your wallet. The 2-bar setup is minimalist in the best way possible. You get exactly what you need for hauling ladders of long materials without any unnecessary bulk. It keeps your truck looking clean while still being completely functional. The black finish isn't just for looks either. It helps the rack blend in with most truck aesthetics, so you're not stuck with a rack that clashes with your vehicle's color scheme. Small detail, but it matters if you care about how your truck looks. The simplified 2-bar design is great for ladders and long materials, but if you're planning to haul wider loads or need more support points, you might want to consider one of the fuller rack systems instead. It's really about matching the rack to your specific hauling needs. Check the description for the purchase link. Before you make your final decision, think about what you'll be hauling most often. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.